Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to H World News. In a groundbreaking development, scientists from the University of Sussex have unveiled a more energy-efficient alternative to Bluetooth for transmitting data between devices. Professors Robert Prance and Daniel Roggen pioneered the use of electric waves, a low-power method that could potentially replace the century-old electromagnetic modulation currently employed by Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and 5G technologies. This innovative approach, known as electric field modulation, is a game-changer for the tech industry, offering improved battery life for smartphones, wearable tech, and smart home devices. Unlike the battery-draining electromagnetic waves, electric field modulation utilizes short-range electric waves, making it an efficient solution for close-range data transmission. The implications of this breakthrough extend far beyond improved battery performance. Imagine shaking hands to exchange phone numbers or unlocking a door with a simple touch, all made possible by this new technology. Professor Daniel Roggen emphasizes the potential for efficiency gains in wearable technology and smart home assistance, stating that the solution not only enhances our daily lives but also opens novel opportunities for interacting with devices in smart homes. One of the most exciting aspects of this development is its affordability and scalability. The researchers anticipate that the technology can be miniaturized to a single chip, costing just a few pence per device. This cost-effectiveness could lead to rapid integration into various devices, revolutionizing how we interact with technology on a daily basis. As the University of Sussex researchers seek industrial partnerships to further refine and miniaturize the technology for personal devices, it's clear that we're on the cusp of a technological shift that could redefine our relationship with smart devices. The prospect of longer-lasting batteries and more efficient data transmission opens the door to a future where our devices seamlessly enhance our lives in ways we hadn't imagined. Stay tuned as this promising innovation progresses toward reshaping the landscape of modern technology. Remember to like and subscribe if you would like to hear more news stories like this.